What's happening in the Delhi water war? Viewers, amid the ongoing tussle between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP over a shortage of water supply, Water Minister Atishi began her indefinite hunger strike. The hunger strike is to get 100 million gallons of water per day from the state. Remember, Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that Haryana government is not sharing surplus water from its stock. BJP called the strike another instance of Aam Aadmi Party doing drama. Now, we also have Ishika joining us on the broadcast. Before, getting to Ishika, let me tell you that this is what Atishi also said that, we have a reaction coming in from Atishi. Listen in.
दिल्ली वाले इतने कष्ट में हैं, इतने परेशान हैं, एक एक बूंद पानी के लिए तरस रहे हैं। इसलिए मैं कल से अनशन पर बैठी हूँ। मैंने आज सुबह फिर से दिल्ली जल बोर्ड से सारे आंकड़े मंगवाए, लेकिन आज भी पानी की कमी बनी हुई है। कल पूरे दिन भर में 110 MGD पानी हरियाणा से कम आया है। इसका मतलब आज 28 लाख से भी ज़्यादा लोगों को पानी नहीं मिल पाएगा। मैं इस अनशन पर तब तक बैठी रहूँगी जब तक हरियाणा सरकार दिल्ली के लोगों को पानी नहीं देती है।
So you heard Water Minister Atishi claiming that it is Haryana which is to be blamed for the paucity of water that is being faced in Delhi. Meanwhile, Atishi has also written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging his intervention in the whole scenario. We also have Ishika now joining us. Ishika, what's the update on Aam Aadmi Party's protest?
Well, currently I am here present in fact at the protest site where in fact we are expecting that in some time from now the Aam Aadmi Party workers will in fact march from here to Haryana Bhavan. You can see that the police deployment is already here and we are expecting that in 15 minutes or so their protest march will start here. Now, on the other hand, we are also seeing that this is the day 2 of Atishi's Satyagrah. Remember that she had earlier written a letter to the Prime Minister asking for his intervention and, for him to in fact ask Haryana to give water to Delhi, and she said that that has not been done and the water crisis here in the national capital only continues to deepen, and that is why she says that this is her last possibility sitting on a satyagraha, on an indefinite hunger strike. So this is a day 2 of that. We'll have to wait and watch, as to how the government, the union, in fact, Union Jal Shakti, ministry also reacts to it. But meanwhile, let me tell you that the Haryana government time and again has said that all the allegations that are being levelled up by Atishi are all baseless because Haryana continues to give additional water to Delhi, and it is only because of the mismanagement of the Delhi government that the Delhi is in fact suffering with this water crisis. Now let me first again show you the visuals here. I'll ask my camera person Sushil Rathi to in fact pan and show you. You can see that this is the spot from where the Aam Aadmi Party workers are going to start their march. They are going to march from here to Haryana Bhavan. You can see the police deployment already being here, and in 15 to 20 minutes we are expecting that all the Aam Aadmi Party workers will gather here. They'll march to Haryana Bhavan and there they will demand water for Delhi, because the Aam Aadmi Party maintains that it is the Haryana government which is not releasing water to Delhi, and because of that the water crisis is still here. Over to you.